Okay, fifth graders, if you're finding that you're missing one of these study links, remember you can always go on our classroom webpage. They appear at the bottom under math, fifth grade math homework. And remember, you can also pause the video if I go too fast. Today's homework is all about factors and arrays, and if we look at our, it just tells us to complete the chart. 6 times 4, I'm sure you remember, is 24. Its factors are 6 and 4, and we know its product, that's the answer, is 24. Then we need to make an array that is over 4 and down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and another row. So we've got a 6 by 4 array on that one. This one, we know our factors are 2 and 12, so we're going to go 2 times 12 on this side. 2 times 12 is also 24. And the reverse of it, if we did that, would be 12 times 2, which would still equal 24. We know our product is our answer, is 24. And now we need to do an array that is really long and skinny. I'm going to go this way because I think I have a little more room. So I'm going to do 2 rows with 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. So there's our array that's 24. And our next one, 3 times 8, is also 24. That would be our product, our answer. Our factors are 3 and 8. And our array is going to be rows, 3 rows and over 8. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Okay. And then our next one, we've got factors of 1 and 15, so we know that this could be 1 times 15 or 15 times 1. Either way, our product will be 15. And we'll write it over here in the product section. And then I'm going to do it this way. It'll just be 1 row of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Our next one, we know our product is 15, so we need to think of different ways that we could make 15. We know it could be 1 and 5, but since we did that already, let's do a 3 and, it could be 1 and 15. I'm getting ahead of myself. But 3 and 5 are also factors of 15, so let's try something a little different. And we'll say this is the same as 3 times 5, or using our commutative property, we could say 5 times 3 as well. And we'll make our array 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Now we've got 5 as a product. Let's think of all the factors of 5. There's only 2, 1 and 5. 5 is a prime number. So we could do 5 times 1 or 1 times 5. It doesn't matter which way we write it. It's going to equal 5. And then our array, 1 row of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you look at our wall in our math room, in our classroom, on the math side, you can see the prime numbers have hardly anything on their posters because there's just not very many factors for prime numbers, just 1 in itself. Alright, look for examples of arrays and bring them to school. So see if you see any arrays around your house. You can bring those in. And then here we're doing some dividing. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Hopefully you remember that one. This one is going to take a little thinking, at least for this teacher. I'm going to stack it this way. And I know that 3 is too small, so I need to look at it as 30. I'm going to get back on the screen here. Sorry about that. And I know that 9 times 3 is 27. And I subtract and I get 3. I bring down the 7. 9 times 4 is 36. And I subtract and I get 1. So for this one, oh my goodness, and here I did it the wrong way the whole time. I was supposed to multiply, not divide. We'll try that again. 307 times 9. 9 times 7 is 63. We'll carry our 6. 9 times 0 is 0 plus 6 more. A 6. And then 9 times 3 is 27. So 27,063 for that one. And this one, just plain old adding. 2631 plus 1, 288. 8 plus 1 is 9. And here we've got an 11, another 9, and a 3. 3919 for that. And here we've got some subtracting. 306 minus 147. Need to do a little regrouping here. And then we come up with 9 and 5 and 1. 159 for that one. Thanks for working with me today.